What we're constructing today is 12 duplexes, so 24 units total. Each duplex is just kind of a rinse and repeat. Each unit is a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1,100 square foot unit. A goal for each one of these units, for everything that we worked on with the design and construction, was to make them net zero, to really make sure that for a tribal elder that it really has minimal or no kind of annual operating costs when it comes to their energy bills. And these are all electric homes. With the installation of solar, with having triple pane windows and making them more efficient, our goal is that net zero, and we're really hoping that we can get as close as to that as possible, which would be a great thing to provide to our elders.
Windows are the weakest link in the envelope that surrounds the occupants in any home. In this project, we took double pane windows and we moved them to triple pane, and that greatly increased the efficiency and the value of the homes. The windows that we're talking about can fit into the same opening as a double pane window or a single pane window, so they could be retrofitted into an existing home. With new construction, you can design it however you want, but there's really no design considerations specifically for triple pane windows. That's the difference in the newer triple pane windows that we're calling high performance windows, is that they can be fit into a double pane opening in new construction without any modifications to the design. The newer triple pane windows have a slight weight increase, but it's not something that changes the installation process. That's something that's different than it was 10 to 15 years ago. Traditionally, triple pane windows were far heavier and way more expensive.
I would say it was a day per building is what it took them to install those triple pane windows. It was a relatively fast and quick process. In my experience, I don't believe our contractor had experience working with triple pane windows or even their sub that was installing them. But what I will say is I don't think they missed a beat in really being able to install them just like they have with double pane windows. So I think the upgrade to triple pane was an even easier decision because we had no issues with installation either.
So builders of new construction homes might have the goal of meeting code or exceeding code. Triple pane windows are a great tool for a builder to use towards that. Builders are faced with many options to meet and exceed code, and this is an affordable, reasonable trade-off compared to, say, maybe putting continuous insulation on the exterior. Builders are always making these decisions. It's called value engineering, and these triple pane windows, these high performance windows, are becoming a viable option for builders to either meet or exceed code. So installing triple pane windows as a strategy for energy efficiency can reduce the load on the heating and cooling system by anywhere from 5 to 15% when you move from double pane to triple pane windows. So that's a benefit in the design stage where you might be able to reduce the size of the heating and cooling system at the start of a project.
I would struggle to understand why people wouldn't want to install triple pane windows in their projects, and it's something that I know that for all of our future projects that we have, both residential and even commercial, and we have a lot on campus right now and in the future coming up, that it's something that we will definitely be continuing to look for on all of our projects.